We've developed an app called Restore Trees New South Wales, and the purpose of the app is to help answer the questions about, firstly, where to plant, and secondly, what native species to plant in any particular location. But we've also gone beyond that by adding in more information about the local environment, which can help people understand what the natural conditions are in any particular local area, as well as provide a whole heap of links and supporting information that can help people find support for their particular project, including where to get seeds, where to get finance, where to get technical support.
From using the app, we were able to identify the plant community types that would be growing in this area, and then we were able to then hone in and ground truth the particular species we needed for this project to cover both the high strata tree canopy and also the shrubs and the ground level plants. And the app gives you comprehensive information about the kinds of plants that would be here, but we wanted to handpick from that trees that we've then seen in the area as well.
There's two ways to use the app. The first one is if you've got some vegetation on your land that you want to look after, you can go to the Look After tab and find out a bunch of details about looking after your native vegetation. Or there's another tab that you can go to called Replant, and that gives you ideas about what you could replant in your local environment. When you're looking at the different areas in New South Wales and you pick a spot that you're interested in, it will rank it against all the neighbouring areas about how useful it will be for restoration benefits for the conservation of biodiversity. If you've already got vegetation on your property and you'd like to enhance it, then it gives you tools for that too. One of the ways that I found really useful when I've been using the app is that you can share a location and it creates a new little web page just for your location that you're interested in. It's got all the information, including all the tree species, all the soil information, and all the links to local council, all in one place. It's a bit like you've engaged a consultant to write a report about how best to do restoration at that particular spot, and you can share it with anyone you want and they can see it on the web, and it gives everyone the opportunity to have some expert advice at their local area.